Hello, this is Jason, continuing my tour of burgers. In this place I walked pretty far to get to, about 2 miles away from the An Thuong area. So let's go in and see how the burgers stack up, see if it's worth the walk. All right, the burger has arrived. I got a bacon, egg, cheeseburger. Meat seems like it's falling apart a little bit, but and the fries are basically just a diced up potato. It looks pretty good with some oregano on top. I like the little paper thing they give you here. Let's try that. Good beef. Much better than the Chop House. And this and the fries and the beer was 205,000 dong, which is about $8. Ooh, leaking some juices. Great flavor. I think this one might move to the top of the list. So, worth the walk. Probably go for like a double burger with some more meat. Very good. They have a blue cheeseburger looking pretty good too. These fries are piping hot. Excellent. This is definitely not a machine-made burger. Like the Chop House. Very good. Juicy. And delicious. All right. I'm gonna finish up these fries and I'll meet you outside. All right, so that was the Burger House and it was $8.08. And that includes a 3% fee for paying with the credit card. So if you pay with cash, it'll be 3% cheaper than that. So I'd say that's the tastiest burger that I've had so far in Da Nang. It's called the Burger House. I'll put the link to the Google Maps location in the description if you want to check it out yourself. I'd recommend it. It was very delicious. All right, well, that's all I got for this one. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Take it easy.